Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering up the device you want to pair and enabling its pairing mode right away so it becomes discoverable. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and keep that screen visible. You'll need to tap names as they appear. Make sure both devices are within 3 to 10 feet and no other headphones or speakers are actively scanning. Once done, do not navigate away. Stay on the Bluetooth page while the other device advertises its name. When the device name appears in the list, tap or click it promptly to initiate the connection. You may see a 4 or 6-digit code. Compare the digits shown on both screens and confirm to authenticate the link. If a pair request asks for permissions, accept those necessary for the function you want: audio for sound, contacts for calls. Once confirmed, the system will exchange keys and establish a secure link. Wait for the status to show connected before closing settings. After connection, test the device immediately. Play audio, make a call, or transfer a file to verify the profile you need is active. If it doesn't work, first disconnect and retry. Power cycle both devices and attempt pairing again within 30 seconds to avoid stale discovery. If failures persist, remove or forget previous pairings, reset Bluetooth settings, and retry. A single key troubleshooting tip: restarting both devices solves most hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.